Alright guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to change an inner tube in a pit bike tire. This is going to be a size 14. I only got 2 tools. I'm using baby powder. I actually already got the brand new tube inside the bag. You shake it around with some baby powder instead of using soapy water, because soapy water will make the tube crack and eventually pop. I figured this method, the way that I do it now, is a lot better than all the other ways, because I learned from experience of popping other tubes a lot. I've had a problem myself, so I'm gonna make this video for you guys that are having probably a little bit of trouble too. This tire is already popped too. The tube is already shot. Looks like it's busted off at the stem. Off. It's probably the worst. That too. Destroyed. What you want to do is do the tube out. Sure, it's still recording. Put a little bit of air in it, not too much, just enough to be inflated. Okay, you don't want a lot in there. Just enough for it to be its size. And you stuff it in the tire all the way around. baby pot. And you find your little stem, pick your rim, get your little stem. Make sure you guys can see, yeah. Okay. Poke it in there. Grab your little nut. And don't tighten your nut all the way. Just put it on there a little bit. That should be good like that. Just put it on there like that. And then kind of work it around. In there. Kind of make sure your tube ain't gonna get pinched. Now you want to start away from your stem. Don't start putting the tire in right where the stem is at. Don't start right there. You want to start on the opposite side. So what I do, go at it like this. Start it with your hand as much as you can with your hand. Work it all the way around. Work your way to the stem. Okay. Use your body weight. Work your tire into the rim too. Sometimes I get it with my hand. Okay. Start furthest away from your stem. Make sure you don't pinch that tube. Cool. It's already on the stem. There you go. Throw some air in it. There we go. All good. Not leaking no air. I don't hear no air leaking. Yep. That's how we change the dirt bike tire. Well, pit bike. It's a 14, size 14, so a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay. Thanks for watching.